Take uniform flow. Next one is uniform flow and non-uniform flow. In it, the velocity is, let us take, this is the cross sectional area. Here I am taking velocity is some 2 meter per second. Okay, at some x is equal to some 0. Okay, starting point is x is equal to 0, and then after x is equal to 1 meter, means this gap is 1 meter. After this also the velocity is same, 2 meter per second. Okay, the velocity is not changing with respect to distance. Okay, so that flow is called uniform flow. It is uniform. How to write the equation? dv by dx, or ds also we can take for distance. Change in velocity means v1 minus this, at this point minus this point velocity, it is 0. Okay, change in velocity is 0. Okay, because velocity is uniform throughout the distance. Okay, whatever, and x is equal to 2 also the velocity is same. Okay, that flow is called uniform flow. How to define this? The velocity of the flow is constant and it is not changing with distance, with respect to distance. This is the equation. And similarly for non-uniform flow, so the velocity is changing with distance. Okay, so the equation is dv by dx is not equal to 0. Okay, if you are taking these equations, the reverse to this is called non-uniform. Okay. Uniform flow can occur in the ideal fluids. For ideal fluids, the mu value means viscosity is 0, dynamic viscosity is 0. Okay, so non-uniform flow can occur not in ideal fluid. This will occur in real fluids. Real fluids has some viscosity. The value is greater than 0. Mu, for uniform flow will occur in ideal fluids. Here write down ideal fluid. The meaning is for the fluid mu is 0. This will occur, non-uniform flow will occur in real fluids. It is important for the competitive exams. So the mu value is always greater than 0. Here mu is dynamic viscosity. Sometimes we can get the flow is steady flow. Okay, but it is not uniform flow. Okay, got it? Sometimes the flows are like that. Let us take in this case example. As I told previously, in this example, the flow is steady flow. Okay, but is it uniform flow? Uniform is whatever distance we are taking, velocities are same. But here at this point it is 2 meter per second. After some length, after 1 meter, the velocity is changing. After some distance, x1 distance, it is after x2 distance, velocity is changing. It is not the uniform flow. Okay, so this type of flow we can call steady non-uniform flow. Okay, so here take in this example I am taking uniform cross-sectional pipe. Okay, same diameter pipe throughout the sections. So this is it steady flow. Steady flow means velocity is constant at the particular section or particular time. It is the steady flow because at input the velocity is 2 meter per second, at output the velocity is 2 meter per second. With respect to time, the velocity is not changing, means it is the steady flow. So it is a uniform flow also. With respect to distance, the velocity is constant. So this type of flow we can call it as steady flow, steady uniform flow. Okay, like that we can divide steady non-uniform flow. Okay, and then unsteady uniform flow, unsteady non-uniform flow. Like that we can divide the flows.